What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you for subscribing, and if you've been here, welcome back, of course. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to share because it's free. So let me say my grace and I'm gonna let you guys know what I have, even though you can see. All right, 1 second. Amen. Okay, so y'all, today we got some, y'all don't mind my hair because it's doing its own thing, but it's all good. But we got some crawfish, some fried corn here in the back. Let me see if I can get y'all a good angle of my fried corn. It looked like I should have fried it some more, but I fried it just like I like it. And I got some eggs here, a little cucumber, and some butter, and I got corn on my hand. I'm trying this right here. It's called Shop Top beer, Belgium white. I don't know what it is, but we gonna see. Cause y'all know I just be trying stuff. Seeing this at Hair Cedar, like I said, picked it up, and we gonna see how it tastes. All right, y'all. So let's eat. I want to start with my corn because this is my favorite part. Y'all, I can't even explain how good this is. I think next time I'm gonna sprinkle something spicy on it, so it's gonna be a little spicy. Okay. All right, y'all. So I just discovered this this YouTube channel. Ooh, this dripping. Come on, crawfish. This is some regular butter, y'all. I really just put like some garlic in it, some brown sugar, onion powder, salt, pepper, a little dab of vinegar, and lemon juice. Okay. But I just discovered this this YouTube channel that helps grow followers. And I'll probably let you guys know a little bit more about it when it's time for them to go live, so that way y'all won't forget, so y'all can let them know y'all team flavor. Okay. Now I'm gonna let you know now, it's called PUSA Studios. I think I'm saying it right, but y'all need to check them out. They'll be live on Thursday, I think at 3 o'clock. Just Thursday. Let me see what that date is so y'all can know. August the 22nd. They will be live, and I want you guys to go there and let them know your team flavor. And pretty much you just go there and mingle with other YouTubers. And they do this wheel where they get the they'll spin the wheel and they'll call somebody's name, and you go subscribe to their channels, and you pretty much just support other people's channels. And I'm gonna leave their link down in the description bar so that y'all can go check them out and subscribe to their channel. And I'm probably gonna do a community post right before they go live, so that way you guys can kind of know, you know, so that way you can be reminded. This is so good. Or Team Flavaeats, that's what we'll be called. Team Flavaeats. Let them know that I sent y'all there, because I'm gonna be there anyway. Mm. Mm. But I gained a few followers from it. Just by mingling with people. That's all you do. Mingle and listen to the podcast, basically. And I think they have about 10,000 followers. And they do live chats and everything. And you just go in a live chat. Let them know that Flavaeats sent you. And everybody will start mingling with you and saying hello. And you just chat with people in the box. And do not ask them to subscribe to your channel. But you can still mingle. Because there's a lot of us out there trying to grow our channels. So I thought that I just discovered this like last week. Corey had sent me there. Shout out to you, Corey. His channel is growing tremendously fast. His channel is actually growing faster than mine. But that is one of the ways that I feel like I will share with you guys how to grow your channel. And these little white pieces, y'all, is potatoes, but they fell apart. So don't even mind it. Mm. Okay, now got a spoon over here, got my towel, but I do want to taste this right quick. And like I said, it's called Shock Top Belgian white. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. That's not bad. So it's Belgian style wheat ale brewed with citrus, peels, and coriander. It almost tastes like a light beer. So I'm pretty sure that's probably what it is. It's not bad though, at all. We got an egg here. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is so good. And if you haven't already voted to what you want to see with my celebration, just vote under my community post. I had asked if everybody would prefer can't get my word up. What would you prefer, Larry the Lobster or Curtis the Crab? So Larry the Lobster is winning, which I kind of felt like he would. But honestly, I'll probably take this down probably before I put this video up anyway. Mm. I feel like my hair is sliding. Mm. Growing up, did y'all parents not to did they tell you not to put your elbows on the table? Like every time I put my elbows on the table, that's what I think about. It's my grandma telling me not to put my elbows on the table. I don't know why. I don't know what that means. But I always been trying to learn how to eat like this without my elbows on the table. Because I used to eat like this. And she'd be like, get your elbows off the table. I don't know. I don't know what that means. I have to Google it. Mm. Mm. This is so good. I love crawfish. It's just a lot of work. It's not really a lot of work to me, but that's why a lot of people don't like it. I think it's almost like most seafood though. Most seafood, you still gotta put in some work. Before you eat it. I have boiled these with some bacon, what I had, some chicken, the cubes, the little bouillon cubes, but I got the powder. I had you boiled it with the powder. Oh, excuse me, I knew that was good. And some chili powder. I think that's about it. I didn't put a lot in here, but it's so good because that bacon flavor is still in my crawfish. I don't mind doing sausage, but I don't know. I don't ever eat the sausage whenever I do a seafood boil. I might bite it, but that's about it. I forgot to bring a bag in here to put my trash in, y'all, so sorry. It probably look like I ain't doing nothing because I keep putting my shells back on my tray. We did a little small birthday party for my sons yesterday at their grandma's, and then we took them to this place called Fun. A little arcade. That was kind of fun, but I'm gonna do another party for them. I'm gonna do another party for them this weekend coming up. Excuse me. Like I said, it's more or less his grandma throwing him a party. Them a party. Because I got 2 Leos. And like I said, they aunt, which is 12 years old. She a Leo too. So all their birthdays are at the same time. So I eventually want to do them another party. They're kids. They really don't care. But I do like doing a lot of stuff for my kids like that because when I grew up, I didn't get no party. Like, you know, we really did not celebrate our birthdays like that. I think I remember one time, like, I got a cake. My grandma had made me a cake, a chocolate cake, and we went out to eat. But after that, like that one time, I think I was maybe 7, 8 years old. And I really cannot, I don't know if my memory is as bad or if it's not as great as I thought it was supposed to be. But I do not remember me or my brother celebrating our birthdays at all. So like my brother, on his birthday now, he does it. He travels. And me on my birthday, I travel a little bit too. Excuse me. Or I throw myself a party. So when it comes down to my kids, I make sure they have a nice birthday party. I always throw them a nice birthday party. Because when they get older, I do want them to know, like, remember a little bit, you know? Like my mama did. My mama did this and did that for me. For my birthday. Which I feel like they probably, sometimes I feel like they don't appreciate it. I know my daughter probably watching. But yeah, sometimes I feel like they don't appreciate it. But I feel like later on in life, you know, they will. So I always give them stuff that I didn't have as a kid. But, and I do think like tough love made me and my brother who we are today. Like we work, my brother, he been in the military since he was, I think he was 17 when he went. And he is 31 now, and he's still in the military. It slipped out my hand. And me, I used to always work 2 jobs. Always work 2 jobs. Because I said I'll never be at a point where I don't have a job. Now, one thing I couldn't do, I didn't know how to manage my money. Because once I finally started getting my own money and stuff, I was always buying stuff or just spending it on something that I don't even know where my money went. And I mean, I'm not talking about like clothes and stuff like that. I'm talking about like phones and cars. And that's what I was spending my money on. And it was like luxury. Somebody had told me I was materialistic at one time. And I probably was. I feel like I still am at times. But I like nice things. That's why I work for them, you know. It is what it is. And that's why I work so hard. Ooh. I feel like I got that in my hair somewhere. But yeah, I've always worked 2 jobs. Or I'm going to school and working. Like I'm going to school now. And I'm working and I'm doing YouTube, which is another job. Cause I like my money. I ain't even thought about that cucumber over there. I was talking to FM Gang last night. FM Gang and Miss C. They was live, and I was letting them know, like, I'm going to school because I wanted to be a travel agent. I didn't really want to be a travel agent. I wanted to be a travel vlogger. Before I did mukbang, I wanted to be a travel vlogger, like Mark Wine. But I really don't. I wouldn't mind really if I travel by myself. Like, that's not gonna stop me. But like, travel agents get like discounts and stuff like that for traveling when they travel, because it's a long story. It's not long, but they do get a pretty decent, you know, discounts. Just like what's them other girls? I cannot think. The girls that work on the planes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, a lot of them get discounts to travel and to get hotels and stuff. So I'm going to school to do that. So eventually I can start traveling and still doing mukbang, but it'll be like in a different country, different state, different city, just, you know, something different. Like I said, I'm kind of done with the whole medical field thing. It's just, some things aren't for everybody, y'all, and that's just one of the things I think is just not for me right now. Like, sometimes I do miss it, like, just the, I don't know, just the whole thing about it, being with other people that's kind of like you and hanging out with folks. I just miss that part. I think I'm not finished, y'all. Well, like I said, y'all, don't forget to check out PUSA Studios. I will leave the link in the description box. They will be live. I hope I'm saying this right. I hope they'll be, I think it's right, Thursday at 3 o'clock. And make sure you type in the chat box that your team Flavaeats. And you could get a shout out from them, and when they shout you out, they'll put your name in the description, in the chat, and tell people to go subscribe to your channel. So like I said, probably Thursday, or probably Wednesday, I put up a reminder for you guys. And then Thursday, I'll probably put up another reminder so you guys can know what time to be there. I got my vape all in here. Sorry, y'all. I be vaping. But, I'll definitely be there. I want you guys to be there. Flavaeats, Team Flavaeats. Let them know. I'm about to go ahead and log out, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Why do I keep saying to my video? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to share because it's free. So you guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day. I hope this week will be great for you guys. I hope it go by fast, especially some of y'all that work throughout the week like me. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Okay, this thing keeps sliding. They don't want me to be great. Come and eat with flavor because it's flavor time. Come and eat with flavor because it's flavor time. I'm gonna make up another intro. It'll probably be the same one that I had before, like I said before. But I should have one when I do my 1,000 subscriber celebration. I feel like I got a lot to do. Like, that's gonna be going on that day. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.